Hi everyone. Before going to logarithms concept, we have to know about root a is equal to a power half. 1 by a can be written as a inverse. And some more logarithm basics are 1 by log a to the base b is equal to log b to the base a. And the other one is, we know that log m plus log n is equal to log mn, but log m plus log n minus log b can be written as log of mn, cause first two are having plus now. So we need to write the product rule, and for the other it is quotient rule. So it is log mn by b. Basing on this rule, let us simplify this quotient. The first one can be written as log of xy to the base xyz plus log yz to the base xyz, and the other one is log zx to the base xyz. Applying the product rule, it becomes xy into log xy into yz into zx to the base xyz. Okay, now it is equal to log xyz whole square to the base xyz. Again, by using the product rule, it can be written as 2 log xyz to the base xyz. And we know that log a to the base a is equal to 1, so that 2 into 1 that equal to 2 is the answer. Next one. Log 2 to the base 10 is given to you, and we need to find the value of log 50 to the base 10. Log 50 by using this 2 and 10. We can write it as log 100 by 2 to the base 10. And using the quotient rule, it is equal to log 100 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Okay, log 100, again it can be written as log 10 square to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Log 10 square means 2 log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Okay, here log 10 square is equal to 2 log 10 because of this one. And 2 into 1 minus 0. The value of log 2 to the base 10 is 0.30103. So that it is equal to 2 minus 0.30103, that equal to 1.69897. Okay. Log 32 to the base 2 can be written as log. We have to change all of these into same number. That means 32 can be written as log 2 power 5 to the base 2 power half. By using the formula log x power m to the base a power n is equal to m by n log x to the base a. Using this formula, it is equal to 5 by half log 2 to the base 2. Again, 5 into 2 by 1 is 2. It is 1 only, which is equal to 10. Log x to the base 3 is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to question mark. X is equal to 3 power minus 2. 1 by 3 square, that equal to 1 by 9. Similarly, log x to the base 8 is equal to 2 by 3, then find x. Here also I am writing that x is equal to 8 power 2 by 3. 8 means 2 cube. All of you know that 2 cube whole power at 2 by 3. 3 cancelled. So answer is 2 square, that is equal to 4. The other one is log root 8 by log 8. Log root 8 means log 8 power half by log 8. 1 by 2 log 8 by 8. Actually log 8 by 8 means log 8 to the base 8. So it is 1. So half into 1, that is equal to half. Other question is log to the base 2 of log 625 to the base 5 is equal to question mark. We need to simplify this one. 5 power 4 to the base 5. By using product rule, it is 4 log 5 to the base 5. And log 5 to the base 5 means 1 kada. So log to the base 2 of 4 into 1, that equal to log 4 to the base 2. And log 4 to the base 2 means log 2 square to the base 2, which is equal to 2 log 2 to the base 2. 2 log 2 to the base 2, which is equal to into 1, that is equal to 2. Next question. 2 log 5 to the base 10 can be written as log 5 square to the base 10 plus log 5 to the log 8 to the base 10 minus log 4 power half to the base 10. That is equal to 5 square means 25. Log 25 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus 4 means 2 square. So log 2 square whole power half to the base 10. These 2 are cancelled. So it is equal to log 25 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 means log 25 into 8 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Here again we need to use the quotient rule so that it is equal to log 25 into 8 by 2 to the base 10 because of this minus, which is equal to log 100 to the base 10. Again log 100 means log 10 square to the base 10. Using the power rule, 2 log 10 to the base 10, 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Here we need to find the value of x. So in the LHS side I am using the product rule, that means log 5 into 5x plus 1 to the base 10 equal to log x plus 5 to the base 10 plus 1 can be written as log 10 to the base 10. Okay. Here also in the RHS side, here I used the product rule. So log 5 into 5x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to log x plus 5 into 10 to the base 10. Now using the equity rule, it is 5 into 5x plus 1 is equal to x plus 5 into 10. By multiplying this, we get 25x plus 5 is equal to 10x plus 50. By taking this 10x to LHS side, it is 25x minus 10x equal to 50 minus 5. 15x equal to 45, x is equal to 45 by 15, that is equal to 3. Okay.